In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sync Etsy with QuickBooks Online. By the end, you'll have your Etsy shop connected so your sales and fees can flow into your books automatically, saving you time and reducing manual entry. Start by opening QuickBooks Online and looking to the top of the screen. Use the search or navigation bar to look for the term Integrations. When you see the option for My Integrations, select it. This area is where all your connections live, and it's the quickest way to find trusted apps that work smoothly with QuickBooks. Inside My Integrations, switch over to the Find Integrations tab. This is your app marketplace view, tailored to QuickBooks. In the search field, type Etsy. You should see an option called Etsy Connector by Intuit. This is the official connector designed to link your Etsy shop with QuickBooks Online, so it's the one you want to use. Click Etsy Connector by Intuit to open its app page. Take a moment here to scan the features and benefits. You'll see information about how the connector pulls in your Etsy sales, fees, taxes, and payouts, and how it can categorize that information in QuickBooks. Reviewing this helps you understand what will happen behind the scenes after you connect, and it can clarify what data you can expect to see in your books. When you're ready, click Get App Now at the top right. From here, just follow the prompts. You'll be asked to authenticate and approve the connection for both your QuickBooks Online account and your Etsy shop. Keep your login details handy so you can sign in quickly. If you manage more than one QuickBooks company or multiple Etsy shops, make sure you select the correct ones during the connection process. You may be asked to grant permissions so the connector can read sales and fee data. Approve those to allow the sync to work properly. Once you finish authentication, the connection will be established. That's it. QuickBooks and Etsy are now linked. Depending on your setup and volume, the initial sync may take a little time, so don't worry if data doesn't appear instantly. You can come back to My Integrations to check the status, and the app page will often include guidance on what's syncing and how it's organized in your books. And there you go. That's all you need to do to sync Etsy with QuickBooks Online. Enjoy fewer manual entries, cleaner records, and a workflow that lets you focus more on your shop and less on spreadsheets. Thanks for watching, and happy selling.